Welcome to this next video in the 15 successes of a marketing master. Please do remember this is a playlist, so if you haven't watched the ones beforehand, please go back and watch those. All the links will be down below so that you can watch the entire playlist in succession. And I really hope you're enjoying it. Please leave a comment down below if you are enjoying this course, and obviously if you're on YouTube, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Let's get started. So the very first success of a marketing master is to humbly face the dragons that you cannot yet see. Now, what does this mean? So it's very important with this course that you start at the beginning, work through the course and finish at the end. So I'm going to tell you about the vision for our business. Our vision is a small island, and on that island is a beautiful house of enchantment. And just around the island is a small but calm lake. And then it reaches out into some plains and up onto some hills and mountains, and in the far distance, great mountains, and surrounding it all the way down. And in the middle is your golden house of enchantment. And this is your business that you invite your customers into, and you look after them. And we're going to go through all of these in this course, and we're going to explain why the golden house of enchantment is so important, especially with the 10 elements of business clarity, because we want people to come into our golden house of enchantment and stay and write home to their relatives and tell everybody how wonderful it is. Post pictures on social media about how wonderful it is. So our golden house of enchantment is very difficult to build. So to humbly face the dragons that we have not yet seen is to say it is our responsibility to build our golden house of enchantment. It is no one else's. We are about to embark on the journey. So many times in the 20+ years that I have been helping small business owners, I've heard so many excuses, so many post-rational reasoning of why things didn't work or things didn't go well or things didn't happen. And the very nature of running your own business is that things will go wrong, but it is up to us to absolutely, fundamentally, crucially take responsibility for the things that go wrong and work out why and try and move forward. Making excuses and all of those things doesn't help. So we humbly face the dragons that we haven't yet seen, the things that we're going to hit potholes in the road, things are going to go wrong, and we just fully accept responsibility for those things because we want to build our golden house of enchantment for our customers. And if our customers are unhappy with something, then it's because we haven't explained it properly, or we haven't delivered it properly, or we haven't set expectations properly. It's not because the customer is unreasonable. Now, there are sometimes unreasonable customers, but then that's because we haven't set parameters and maybe contracts or whatever in place to control the customers. So it always comes back to us. We are responsible for our business. We are responsible for our marketing. And so the very first success of a marketing master is to fully accept and fully take on board when things go wrong. When those dragons appear, we're happy with that. That then shows how we can improve. So let's move on to the second success.